Hello and welcome to the brand new course Jumpstart Terraform 0.12 on Azure. My name is Shantanu and I'm going to be your instructor and author of this course. I'm a seasoned author for many DevOps courses like Puppet, Microservices, Terraform, and Azure DevOps. I've worked as site reliability engineer and DevOps professional with solid hands-on experience on Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure. I'm certified professional in both of these clouds. Worked on DevOps practices and setting up CI/CD and DevOps pipeline, build pipeline for Fortune 500 companies around pharmaceuticals, retail chains. I've worked in hosting and supporting Dockerized applications via Kubernetes on GCP and support Google managed Hadoop clusters as well around ETL services using Hive and MySQL databases and a lot of other things. So that's about me. Let's move on to the course description and see what we have in store for you. So we're going to start off with introduction to core Terraform, wherein we're going to understand the core fundamentals, how Terraform works, and how the binary and plugins kind of dependent on each other. We're going to see how installation works on different operating system like Mac, Linux, and Windows. We're going to see how initialization, plan, apply, and destroy works. In the second module, we're going to start off with building resources on Azure. We're going to write our first Terraform code and create a bunch of resources on Azure. In the third, we're gonna touch base on what are remote state. So instead of saving your state locally, which is not the best practice, we're gonna save the states in the Azure backend state, which is kind of a storage account with secure and collaborative actions on it. In the fourth module, we're gonna take our skills to the next level. We're going to see how count for and for each works in Terraform. Mind it that these for and for each works only in Terraform 0.12, so you won't get these features in the Terraform before 0.12. So we're going to see how functions, conditionals, and all of these programming fundamentals works in Terraform as well. And we're going to end the course using Terraform import and data sources. Import is like importing your existing resources into Terraform management. The resources which were not probably created using Terraform, they were probably created using Bash or PowerShell, Ansible, or some other means, and now you get them, put them under the Terraform management. You can use Terraform import and data sources. In terms of prerequisites, we would expect you to have a laptop with an internet connection so that you can look into the documentation back and forth. Since we would be creating resources on Azure, we would expect you to have an Azure subscription as well. A trial would work. A code editor to compile and write your code. I use a Visual Studio Code, so I would kind of suggest you to have a Visual Studio Code editor. However, feel free to use any code editor which kind of gives you syntax highlighting and terminal run as well. Why you should be taking up this course? This course has been tailor-made basis on the industry experience I have over the last few years. The code and configuration written are right from the scratch in front of you. So in the course you would see that there are many times wherein we have ran into errors. Some of them are intentional, some of them are not, so that you understand what are the bugs and issues you generally face while writing infrastructure as a code. This course has been built on top of latest Terraform, that is 0.12, which gives you the features like for each, and a lot of other looping conditionals. At the end of the course, we would see that we've built a production-ready multi-tiered application, which can be used in deploying any production-level infrastructure. This course is specially targeted for system administrator, DevOps professional, infrastructure engineers, and product developers. That's it about the introduction of the course. And without further ado, let's get started and start learning some Terraform on Azure.